Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. So we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Ageless short riding shoes. Okay, the Alpinestars Ageless short riding shoes retail for $209.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive right into sizing. I wear a size 12 US in most common shoes out there. These are a 12. They fit like a glove, or should I say a shoe. Super comfortable, easy to walk around in. This is going to be a great choice for a street rider that is looking for that combination of protection and style. If you're new to this motorcycle footwear, the sport of motorcycling, you're going to probably look at these and be like, dude, those are tennis shoes. I can go to Foot Locker, man, and just get whatever I want. It's going to be the same. No, it's actually not. In my mind, the most important feature, right, of a shoe like this, a short, casual style street riding shoe, is going to be the construction of the sole. The sole of this is reinforced. Kind of show you right here. I'm going to push pretty hard to try and collapse that. It is not happening. You take your Converse and you push like that. They're built for a different purpose. They're going to fold right up like a little taco. This is also reinforced front to rear. The reinforcement front to rear, and you can see I put a lot of pressure on that. It will fold here, of course. It has to, otherwise you can't walk in it. They wouldn't be comfortable, right? So it is designed to fold up easily and be comfortable in that area while still having good front to rear crush resistance. Let's say you happen to fall off your motorcycle. It does happen from time to time. That's why you wear all this stuff. If the bike lands on top of your foot, right? Pavement, foot, motorcycle, or other heavy object could crush your foot from the side. Not a pleasant injury, difficult. There's a lot of bones in your foot, difficult to recover from. Your foot will probably never be the same. For that reason, you should never ride your motorcycle in non-moto specific footwear. Super important. There are other safety features built into this as well that we're going to cover as we go through this. But now we're going to talk about the styling. These things look great. Like I said, I had them on here in the office. I walked around in them. Lucas, when he saw these, he's like, dude, he's like, you been wearing these or something? No. Available at no additional charge is the pre-worn look of the sole. It's a style that we've seen from some different brands. Alpinestars has been doing it for a while too, but I think they executed it very well. These literally look like somebody has been wearing them. The construction of the upper uses a multitude of materials, right? We've got split suede, we've got nubuck leather, and then we also have canvas. I love all the detail and the stitching. Really pops. There's multiple colors of this one available. Please check our website for more details. Nice little pull here at the back, helps to get them up. Ortholite in-sock design for breathability and comfort. You get these things on, they feel, like I said, they feel great. Love that styling right there. Full lace design with eyelets from top to bottom. Reinforcement in the toe box. And you can see this is different than a race boot or even a very technical short street riding boot. Nevertheless, there is still some reinforcement in this area. Protection is really what is most important to you. And you want a short riding boot? Well, there's others that are going to be more protective in select areas, right? And overall, like the SB2 short riding boot that we just reviewed. More expensive than this, and they're basically like a race boot minus the upper half. Tons of protection with that, but the look and comfort is totally different. So there's always trade-offs. Got reinforcement here in the heel, and then of course here in the ankle area, they add a little additional, and you feel it right here, right in this area, a little additional armor puck to help insulate your ankle from impact as well as abrasion if you have an off-bike expedition. The way they have the tongue secured too, there is essentially like stretch fabric, right? Maybe that's part of that ortholite sock on both sides, so the tongue just stays right in place when you have your foot in the short riding shoe. feel fantastic, look fantastic. These are the Alpinestars Ageless short riding shoes. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.